Hi, good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Ilyas Daifullah, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to expand eco-village and ecotourism in Indonesia. But before we touching on the topic, let us clearly define those two different things. First, what is an eco-village? The eco-village is the community or the settlement whose main objectives are sustainable living, environmental stewardship, and social wellness. The ideal of eco-village is the one that balances human, nature, and civilization. The goal is to build a sustainable, harmonious community that coexists with the nature. Let's go to the next point. Point number 2. Regarding ecotourism. Ecotourism is a type of tourism that focuses on preservation of nature, education, organized tour, and recreational tourism. This type of tourism was born with a spirit of saving nature and helping people who live close to the areas. We need to preserve these natural wonders from destructive human intervention and make their beauty accessible to our vision and feelings. We hope that we can visit them endlessly, living them as they were. Now, we understand the meaning of the eco-village and ecotourism. Let's dive into discussing how we can expand them in Indonesia. First, it is crucial to identify the local potential. Make searches to find areas in Indonesia that could potentially be developed into eco-village and ecotourism destination. The biological and natural beauty that exists in the areas of predicted benefit for development could become the basis for the prospect of establishing sustainable eco-village and ecotourism destination. Those biological and natural beauties could complement and add additional value that may provide the best quality experience for tourists. Secondly, sustainable infrastructure development. Promote the development of green eco-infrastructure such as using renewable energy, green waste disposal, and low-carbon building design to facilitate ecotourism deliverables. Eco-village design sustainable home and build structures with a local, eco-friendly building material such as bamboo and recycled wood. However, infrastructure updates are more powerful for villages, from improving accessibility and basic service utilities like water quality and sanitation through to electricity and general modernization renewable source of energy, including solar panels and wind turbines. As a result, such improvement will not only be to the benefit of the resident, but also be more appealing for the visitor. This will decrease the emission of harmful gases and increase the number of people who join to the village. Apart from the first two significant roles they play, education and environmental awareness assume the third position in terms of their importance in conservation. Education consists of four phases that need to be improved, namely environmental awareness and educational awareness. The first is skill enhancement. Extending technical and soft blueprints in ecotourism industry is a crucial because it permits people in the village to do more kind of work. Renewal of education and specialized training are among the crucial tools to approach this through the transfer of knowledge that is necessary for the learning of relevant skill in the communities. We improve the people's livelihood and in the process enhance their connection to their environment. Secondly, community participation is vital, as not engaging local communities in conservation activities and natural resource management is vital. This could include improving wildlife, tree planting, and restoring of forests and protection projects. Our residents can take advantage of these activities and enhance community participation, which results in improved environmental stewardship as well as community relationship. The third is waste management. Implementation of sustainable waste management system with recycling and composting being the priorities by aiming for zero generation of waste and utilizing all raw materials. we can put out fewer toxins into the environment and improve it for humans to live in. Organic farming is the fourth one of support organic farming based on organic technique using natural method of fertilizing, reflecting environment improvement through the enhancement sustainable agriculture. We successfully safeguard soil health, retain biodiversity, and create more bounteous natural environment. Community care is the best way to learn as such as one can about education and environment. And that's all. The third step, education and environmental awareness. Okay, the fourth step of expanding eco-village and ecotourism in Indonesia is partnership and collaboration. Develop partnership with a government organization and the private sector to generate the construction of eco-village and ecotourism. Working with stakeholders can give away a money, talents, and social networks for infrastructure improvement, accessibility enhancement, and long-term sustainability in ecotourism. Fifth, place high importance on creating distinctive tourist destinations. Envision together ecotourism journeys with more fulfilling experience. First, you need to offer product diversification to ecotourism buffet. Your image will consist of trekking through dense forests, swimming in rich water, bird watching in biodiverse habitats, and experience unique cultural adventures. We do this in multiple ways, like expanding our various service offerings to attract different kind of diverse tourists, to charter all adventure enthusiasts and dreams. Then engage with the community. It's not only about seeing the site but also about communication with others. Integrating local population into the planning and running of ecotourism spot is essential. Local people may be trained to be tour guides, accommodating visitors, and demonstrating local net artwork. Through having communities play an active part, the richness of tourist experience is enhanced, and at the same time, local livelihood are empowered. Finally, consider embedding advertising and promotion. This is the cherry on top. There is no difference between the two. Without a good promotion, though, all the effort spent on step 1 through 5 might be pointless. However, let's embrace the new trend. Make a promotion. Achieving this can be done through the positioning of ecotourism destinations, through active marketing and advertising campaigns, leveraging social media sites, and working with local and international agencies will only meet certain canalization requirements. Whether it is about to become the big trend, finding a way to cure staycation craving, or any other popular nation taking the lead in our community, we can facilitate this to the promote or marketing statement by utilizing trend hashtag communicating issue of today. We are sure audience can listen from around the world. By giving communities power and choosing sustainable ways, we are responsible for creating an eco-village development and ecotourism expansion in Indonesia, which make our future quite bright and green for the next generation. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Now, it is time for us to save our ecosystem and build a planet where all beings can truly satisfy their search of comfort.